Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open the YouTube app and tap the plus sign, then create a short. That's your entry. Choose an existing clip or record now so you can change timing right away. Next, tap the speed or scissors icon to access editing controls. This is where you modify playback. You do this early because adjusting speed influences trimming and sync. Make short, intentional clips now to avoid re-editing audio or captions later. Once in the speed menu, pick a preset like 0, 5x, 1, 5x or 2x, or enter a custom value if available. This alters both motion and audio pitch slightly. Make sure to preview multiple times so lips, music, and captions stay in sync. If speech sounds off, shorten segments or re-record at a different bass tempo. Also refine trims after changing speed, because a slower clip needs to finish, add captions, background music, and any effects after you've locked the speed, because these layers depend on final duration. Tap preview one last time. If everything aligns, publish or save the short. If audio warbles or sync breaks, re-record at a different tempo and speed it later, or mute the clip and add a fresh music or voiceover track. This fixes pitch issues and gives precise control. Finally, make sure captions match the adjusted timings before upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.